Don Opeloge has broken 2 records and made a significant move in the Paris 2024 rankings at the Oceania Championships in Auckland, New Zealand last weekend. Opeloge's first attempt at 175, second at 215, and final at 390 was the best ever effort by any Samoan weightlifter on points. Opeloge would have gone into 8th place in the Olympics rankings if he had not dropped the bar before the down signal on his final attempt at 220 kg. He also missed his final snatch attempt on 180 kg. Opeloge, who is 24, also broke the Commonwealth and Oceania records in snatch and total as he moved level with the athletes ranked 9th and 10th on 390 kg. I'm very proud of Don, a humble young man who has worked very hard, said Samoa's head coach and Federation President, Jerry Warwick. He was very unlucky with that 220. Now the target is 400 in Thailand. Let's hope all goes well with the preparations. Warwick was referring to the final Olympic qualifier, the IWF World Cup, which runs from March 31st to April 11th. Uniara Sipaya had another good result for Samoa in winning the women's super heavyweights. Sipaya looks bound for Paris after improving her best qualifying total by 1 kg on her first at 110, second at 155, and final at 265. Samoa won 7 other gold medals in the first 3 days of the Olympic qualifier in New Zealand.